Let's move that out of the way. Okay, what we have here is a dropship shuttle that I converted to STL. And I thought, great, I'll be able to print it out. But then I realized on the conversion that we got randomite. We got chunks just eaten out. I wish I understood all this Boolean geometry so I'd know what process could eliminate that or how I could design something without having this happen. Anyway, this is just one of my first tests. Back to the drawing board. I'm going to go back, maybe turn some things into parts first, maybe do it bit by bit, turn into STLs, convert to STLs, see what converts without getting chewed up, and then I'll see if I got something printable. Peace out.